Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 10th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one you are interested it's the binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes. And this one will be number 9880. Before I start, I always count and print the digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, could be a hard one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. With the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's now. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1. There 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. In 3 minutes exactly. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle of this evening. Until then, bye-bye for now.